Hello there, welcome everybody. It's Diorama Don here. I made these three Panther tanks a few videos ago now. I bought a Tamiya Panther kit, plastic kit, and then took the measurements from all the pieces and made three cloned Panther tanks from it. So that gave me 4 Panther tanks. So I just wanted a way of presenting the 3 tanks. So I just thought of this idea, that's all. It was very, very easy to make, very inexpensive, and just a way of showing or presenting your models. Just another way of showing them off, that's all. So we'll get on with the video and I'll show you how I went about making it. In the meantime, please subscribe to the channel and yeah, just subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's get on with the video. So I've cut some pieces of 25mm or 1-inch polystyrene, and this is the basic shape that I will want eventually, and hope to make it look like a bit of a mountain side so that I can put my 3 Panthers like so, something like that. So they'll be sitting on a pathway, 3 pathways going through a mountainside. That's the idea anyway. So what I've got to do now is pick away at the polystyrene to create the shape of the mountain. So I'll do that first, come back and we'll see what happens next. Okay, so I've chipped away at the polystyrene now and made it more into a rock face type shape. What I shall do now is with some watered down wall filler, give it a coat of this. It's going to take me a while, but it'll get rid of the polystyrene look and make it more into a mountain. So it's going to take me a while to do, so I'll do this, come back, and again we'll see what it looks like then. So I covered the whole thing with that watered down wall filler and let that dry off, so that's nice and hard now. Now I can put my tile grout. This is grey tile grout. I added a little bit of black tile grout to it to make it a bit darker. And then a blob of PVA glue. So what I'll just do a little bit, just slap it on, and then once you put it on, just take it off again like that, and then with a damp sponge just dab away at it, just to bring out the white highlights underneath, and it'll give a pretty good impression of a rock face. Like that. Okay, so I'll do the whole thing. That'll pretty much be the end of the project. Very quick and easy project, this one. So I'll finish off the whole area and we'll come back, see what it looks like when it's all dry. Okay, so I finished my little mountain. I put some sand on the flat roads, although by the time the tanks sit on there you can't see it anyway, so hardly worth bothering with really. A little bit of foliage, and it is without doubt the easiest, cheapest and quickest way of modelling any kind of rock formation. Now I know there are far better ways of doing things. There are YouTube channels that will show you incredible realistic looking rock formations, but this is just a very easy way of doing it and very quick. The whole thing just took me about an hour to make, and the whole point was then to put my panthers on there, and it's just a different way of showing your models off. They don't all have to be the same model. Obviously they could be 3 different things, but it's just another way of showing them off. Okay, so I'll leave this very short video with you. Please subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, click the all button, and all will be well. Okay, so I'll leave you for now. I'll see you in the next video, and until then, as always, I wish you the very best of happy modelling.